Happy Sunday, everyone. Welcome to Destination Jamaica. We just wanted to show you the soursop fruit, one of my favorite fruits to drink the juice and to eat as well. And soursop is actually pretty high in vitamin C, and it's good for boosting immune health. Also, it just tastes good, real creamy and nice. So we're gonna show you how to, what it looks like and how to eat it, for those who don't know. No, the origins of soursop actually is not known, but it is said to be native to the Caribbean. We have a small one that's ripe, so that's the one we're gonna open up to eat right now. Alright, so this is the skin. You're gonna peel off the skin. This is the gritty part. You don't eat that part unless your stomach's strong. But so you go like that, and you take it off, peel off all of it. When you see the soursop look like this though, you think it's a fruit to ward off people not to eat because of the spikes on the outside, right? But actually, it is said to have so many health benefits and be really good for you. Some people make it into a juice, so you actually would peel it and then you juice it by putting water on there, and then you juice it through the strainer. And you can add your nutmeg and your milk, and I prefer to just eat it raw or drink it just the juice alone without adding anything extra to it. So this is the soursop. This is what you would eat. You take the seed out, right? Some people eat the center part, them say it's really good fiber. I don't really like it, but you can eat it if you want something extra good for you. So you would eat this part of the soursop right there, that white part, really nice. And I can make it into an ice cream as well, have it frozen, have it as it is. It's something definitely healthy to enjoy, and it's sweet, right? And you can plant the seeds if you want or throw them away. So that's it. That's our little presentation on the soursop. I'm gonna peel it completely and then eat it. So if you really need to see how to take out the seed, you just pop out the seed like that, right? And then you put it, discard it. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my soursop on this not so sunny Sunday. I like to say liquid sunshine, but it's a blessing to be here and to be able to eat some of this goodness. We hope you can too. So have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next time. All right.